Hey YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs on your Peugeot 208. First of all, open up the bonnet. Here's the location of all three of them up here. So you're just going to undo the electrical connectors. They're fairly easy. Sort of push the tab and push rearwards. And then all you're going to do is undo the 8mm bolts. I know I'm using a spanner here. I'd suggest using a socket to avoid rounding them off. Once they're undone, all you're going to do is just pull directly upwards on the coils. They should come out fairly easily. And then what I'd suggest is once all three of them are out, get a normal vacuum cleaner or compressed air and just clean out inside the holes. If you are using a normal vacuum cleaner, you might have to make a attachment. Now all you're going to do is undo the spark plugs. You're going to need a specialised spark plug socket, a really deep socket. And then undo them by hand once you've cranked them off. Once they are off, sometimes what you'll find is that the socket doesn't hold them, so I just put the old coils back in and then drag them out. And I place the spark plugs in order so I can inspect for any uneven wear. You're looking for, extra fouling or bigger spark gaps, but this is what the new one looks like compared to the old one, so they're definitely overdue. Then all you're going to do is put them back in. And once they're back in, you're just going to tighten them up to 26 Newton meters. Then you can put some high temperature anti-seize grease in here, and then you're just going to place them back in, and they should just slot in. Once they've gone back in, put the electrical connectors back on, and then put the 8mm bolts up. There isn't actually a torque spec for the 8mm bolts, but it's very low. Just literally hand tight, and then slightly more. Then just fire it up, make sure that everything's all good. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Check the comments for a playlist for Peugeot 208s.